Learning Arabic through meaningful stories is 10 times faster than other methods. Not only this, but the learning will be fun, interactive, and it is hard to forget the word, vocabulary, sentences, and rules that were in the story and you took it already effortlessly. If you are interested in speaking, understanding, writing and reading Arabic language, even if you had an unsuccessful experience or you faced difficulties in learning Arabic language, or you like to start from zero until you master all the skills of Arabic language, then you are in the right place and the solution is here. This is Muhammad Diyauddin, and you are watching Pure Arabic Language course to teach Arabic language for non-Arabic speakers through meaningful stories. Why should I learn Arabic through stories?
نزل جحا ومشى مع ابنه خلف الحمار. نظر بعض الناس وضحكوا، ونظر الابن إلى أبيه وضحك. جحا يمشي وابنه يمشي والحمار لا يركبه أحد.
Learning in this way is faster than others based on real experience because it is an innate and motivating way to continue the course and acquire language with all its skills effortlessly. But we need to know the Arabic alphabet, Arabic letters, and some basics before starting the stories. Because of that, we will start at this level, Arabic letters. How can I be successful in this course? We will take care about some points. Number 1, focus and attention. Number 2, repeating sentences behind me. Number 3, interaction. Number 4, write the sentences, not word, in your notebook. Number 5, record the story in your own voice. Number 6, repeat the video, the lesson, more than twice. If there is any comment or question, please leave it below the video. See you soon. Thank you so much.